All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the On Time, On Target play of the day. You see three screens in front of you on the Think Pipes platform. On the left screen is the SPY. That's a 1 minute of the S&P 500. Futures were up. They're almost getting ready to turn red there based off of negative retail numbers, but hopes of stimulus may take the market higher today. Then our two trades, we have LAZR Long, which is, stand by for the bell. LAZR Long, which is a Luminar, is a company that is in the contract with Mobileye, and the details are coming out. You can see it's up 10%. We'll try to trade that. It's a little better trade point if you get into it higher. So I'd like to see it sell off and then can move higher. All right, as far as PIN had a massive product recall. It's already selling off pretty hard here. So again, you're gonna need about a $2 stop if you get in this, and it's going to have to back up here a little bit before I'm willing to take it short. Otherwise, we'll look at the long in LAZR. We have some other longs to flip to as well if the market goes long. All right, I'm not willing to take this down here at 172. It's just gone too far. If we can get it back up at 173, you can hop in short, and 175 is going to be your stop. So again, I want it to come back up to 173 to be able to short. If it touches that, we can hop in. Otherwise, we're not going to take that short just because the stop will be too big. Almost got there. Oh, you're killing me. Killing me. Yep, looks like we are going to miss it. I'll put my note right there real quick just in case it does bounce up. So again, if it does come back up, 173 and 175 are our numbers. Let's see, with a $2 stop, 171, 169, 167 is the exit. So that's pretty much all the way gone. Let's see what we're going on in LAZR here. It's selling off pretty hard, and I do kind of like this as a long-term name. So it's shocking that it's fallen off. And crap, there's our, yeah, had we taken it, that was our 3R point right there. So did not take it, did not get the entry, but just drawing it up as far as the ladder there of how that would have gone. I certainly can't take it now. It's already up, down over 10%. It may continue to sell off today because it's a pretty negative headline, but we don't have it as far as a trade. All right, do we hop into LAZR Long here? I do kind of like it. So it's going to need to show some love. So 24.23. Let's go LAZR Long at 24.50. So make a note there. I do think it hits it pretty quick. There it is, 24.50. You're on a 20-cent stop. So 20-cent stop is down at 24.30. Again, we're taking this long, so I'll draw another arrow there. And I really like this trade because that just sold off way too hard for no reason, unless there was a headline that I missed, but nothing's popping up. So 24.50 with 20-cent stops. So 24.70 is our first R. 24.90 is our second R, and then our exit point is 25.10. If you do want to keep a little bit of this as far as a trade or switch it to an investment, again, just keep a third of your shares. So again, we're in it at 24.50 and going long here. So I like how that's set up, and I like our entry there. Off on another screen doing something for just a second. All right. And looks like we almost did it while I was on another screen. So we need 25.10 for our exit point, and you can go ahead and exit LAZR. Again, if you want to keep a piece of this, that's fine. Obviously, you see it's kind of screaming higher there. So to recap this trade, so when it opened and you have a long, even though even though it starts working against you, this is really just 2 minutes of selling. So that's profit taking overnight. So then when you see what you're looking for is kind of a double bottom. I mean, this would be technically a double bottom. But as it starts to come back higher, you've got that 24 point, whatever your stop's going to be. And we said it was going to be a 20-cent stop. So you wait for it. I'll say, what's the low of the day? 24.31. So we want to go 24.30. You simply quickly go, okay, I want a 20-cent stop. So I'm going to add that. That's 24.50. And that determines your entry point. Now, it could easily, you want to stay true to the math. So it could easily hit that 2450 and reverse right back and you're out an R. So be it. If it does, there's going to be days where you're going to be down one risk unit. However, the entry on this one was kind of pristine. And the fact that we got at 2450, it went to 1R in the first minute and it went really to, what's that, 2530, 2550. That's what a 5R point. Basically a dollar move up. Draw the 4R in here too, so everybody's clear. Moved $1. So if you take 1,000 shares, that's $1,000 on a $200 risk, right? And it looks like it's even going to go higher from here. So really pretty pristine entry. But that's how you kind of work that entry. And then if you kept some of it, good on you. I have it as long-term investments. I'm obviously thrilled that I'm up 12% on the the big position. But as far as the trade, we'll go ahead and close that out for today.